Hello and welcome to part 9 of my playthrough of Monkey Island. I'm afraid I've got a slight confession to make. For the first time, I had to consult the solution.
Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God! Oh man! Oh God!
No. Okay, so what happened? Well, I got damn stuck and I was spending longer and longer trying to work out what to do. One thing I knew for certain was that it was involving the monkey in one specific place, up here where we're going to go now. I knew it was something to do with that, but I had been put off or misled by the idea of the exchange of the banana picker for this cotton bud that would open the giant monkey head. So I thought we had to do that first, because I couldn't see anything else to be done here. But it was bugging me and I was spending longer and longer trying to work it out, and I thought life is too fucking short. But I couldn't sleep very well last night because of it, because if you know me very well, I hate cheating, and this is cheating in my book. But anyway, this will be the last time that ever happens. Anyway, so right, it's these bastard totem poles. Look, I was looking at these. Yeah, what, we can't do anything about it, but look, there's a fucking nose on the side. I didn't notice this before. Once again, I've been far too hasty. So if we pull on this damn thing, it opens the gate, but as soon as we walk away, it closes again. This is where the old monkey comes in. Absolute bastard. Anyway, we're there now. In so doing, I've also seen a bit of this. Well, I didn't watch it, but I know what we need to take. So we know we need something to give the cannibals. And it's one of these damn things. So there's quite interesting little idols. But I've been through these already, looking at them. It says that for the same thing for all of them, but they're all too heavy to pick up. So if we try this one, it's much too heavy, so we've got to go for this little bastard, which is called a wimpy little idol. Okay, so there we are. Problem solved. I doubt anyone will miss this piece of junk. Yeah, so if we look at it, what a cheap piece of mass-produced tourist crap. On the bottom it says made by Lemonhead. No idea what that means. But yeah, I guess we still have to get in here, which is what this cotton bud thing is going to be used for. So I'm also assuming the monkey's just going to stay hanging around there. Yes, simple, but look at that, just missed one tiny thing. And the problem is, because this area is so large now, there's so many different places where something could have happened. But I knew it was going to be there. I knew it had to be in that place. That was the only place the monkey appeared. So I almost got there, just for not being observant enough of that nose. But anyway, we're there now. Just hope I don't have to, well, I'm never going to look at the solution again, not for this game. I mean, you never know, some games are so obscure. I remember a game, was it Goblins, or Goblins 2, point and click adventure, totally batshit crazy and defies logic most of the time, so I probably need to use it if I played that, but I don't think I will play it. Anyway, let's get back to the village, and hopefully we're going to make some very quick progress today. I'm ready for you this time, you bastards. How many times have I come here? Crikey. I mean, I did it enough on camera, but I did it quite a few more times before, going through every single item I had to try and give to them. Obviously it didn't work. totally bored of me now, and I'm bored of them. I've got some in fear, you bastards. Hey, wow! This is impressive. Lemonhead. Take a look at this. Oh, it is. Ooh, that's nice. Simple, just like one of mine. And little, like mine. And it says made by Lemonhead, just like one of mine. We should take this to the great monkey. Yes, I agree. We are very grateful to you for this fine gift. If there's ever anything you need on Monkey Island, just come see us. Oh, that's nice to know. Hopefully they've unlocked that bastard door so we can get our apple picker. I mean banana picker. Yes, lovely. Where have they gone? We don't care. Good. Right, it's all falling into place. Plus there was these red herrings here of the vines and things. I was trying everything I could think of to nick the banana pickers, but obviously I was barking up the wrong tree. Oh, hello. All I want is my banana picker back. But will they give it to me? They want the monkey head key back first. That'll be the day. Don't you think they're being unreasonable? It's not as though I'm asking for a lot. All I want is my banana picker back. The hell is he repeating himself? Okay, he's just repeating himself. Good, good, good. Let's talk to him or just give him the bastard thing. Oh, hi. I was just looking for the natives to get them to return my banana picker, but I can't seem to find them. You're in luck, old chum. I have your banana picker right here. Hey, thanks. I thought I'd never see this again. Here, you can take this key to the monkey head back to the natives. Like hell I will. Okay, and don't worry, I won't use it or anything. Not on a wink. Excuse me, I've got pressing business to attend to. Go and pick some bananas. You perverted old man. Wonder what he does with the bananas. I'm sure he doesn't eat them. Okay, right, now we know where we're going. Here we go. That's another thing I discovered. You can pitch up on any of these beaches. Because I've been around the island about 20 fucking times. If there's anything to be learned from it, it's just follow your heart. You know what to do, really. You just need to be more observant, basically, in my case. Oh yeah, he's still there. Good. Right. Let's get in there. Monkey head key. Okay, let's have a look at it. Looks like a giant cotton swab. Right, we're going to set fire to that thing. Maybe we... Yeah, no, there's no place to stick it in. Right, solution time. No. Yeah, we're going to have to stick it in somewhere because... Oh, I've just had an idea. Use cannonball. No. Okay, use monkey head key and cannonball. No. I was thinking you stick it in the hole and there it'll stand up, right? Well, that's got a groove in its head. Like that, maybe. Use. No. The one with a hole in it. Head. about far-fetched. Ear. Okay. See, be observant. The second largest ear I've ever seen. Yak. Haha, of course, yes, right. Monkey head key is a giant cotton bud, so stick it in its ear. Oh my goodness. Okay. That did the trick. We were going to have to light the damn thing, but no. We are in! Exciting. Okay, we're climbing down the monkey skeleton, so it must have once been a giant monkey. All our things here have changed colour to suit the subterranean environment. Splendid. Okay, so, right. Let's carry on. Nothing clickable, or is there? You know what I'm like? I had a feeling that in hell there would be mushrooms. A lot of people don't like mushrooms, but I absolutely love them. The edible kind, of course. Not the happy kind. Okay, nothing here. Bloody hell, what's going on here? Yeah, I think we have descended into the bowels of hell. I didn't save it. Although, so far there's been nothing to kill us, I don't think. Okay, right, so we need to get across there. No! Oh, hell. Have I missed something? Normally so observant. Okay. Wait a second. We've come out to a different place. Okay. Devious. Each time it's slightly different. Okay. Why does it keep changing? There you go. Okay, right, this is very odd. Gross. Gross. Right. It's a face. Should we give it a mint? No. No. Talk to? No. Okay. Right, so it's just a matter of keep going in and out by the looks of it. Yuck. Pick 'em up. No, rather not. Okay, is that just scenery then, or what? Push. No, okay. Okay, these are all parts of the body. Creepy. But it's not, I don't think it's a clickable, oh yeah, push hard. doesn't want to touch it. Can we go across here? Yes. This is a very strange place. Yuck, I hate mushrooms. Right. I'm stuck. Can we go down here? Wait a second. That's turned into bloody eyeballs now. This is a very strange place indeed. Let's go up here. What on earth is going on? Hellish. It certainly is. Is there something I'm supposed to be doing with these things? I don't know. I don't think so. It's the eyeballs again. Sickening. There's the nose. Well, at the moment, my idea is just to walk around aimlessly until something changes. There's not really anything I've got in my inventory that would do anything to these things. This is bloody annoying. Something tells me I should have gone in that tunnel. That'll do. This is just aimlessly bimble around. Back to the old heads. So there does appear to be a structure to this place. There is some repetition, but the old nose. Another tunnel. Yeah, why not? Oh man. I'll have to cut some of this out, that's right. Oh, we haven't been here. Plus revivals. This is worse than the forest. Disgusting. Okay, hello. Just spent near to an hour fucking around the hellish dimension there. Thought I had a system whereby looking at the various bodily organs on display, the closer I was getting towards the head or brain would mean I was getting closer to my destination. And I did see a brain for one brief moment, but then just kept going wrong and I got stuck again as well, which didn't help. So I've had to look at the solution, and whoever was doing the playthrough, they just looked at one screen of the hell dimension and then came right back out again. And you've got to go back to the village of cannibals to ask their help. Brilliant. As you can see, I'm slightly miffed. Slightly more miffed because I've already said all this and I wasn't fucking recording it. Brilliant. But anyway, I mean that puzzle, I thought it was just a logic-based thing. But I was thinking a bit too deeply, but they were giving me enough ingredients for that possibility to have been possible. But it wasn't, of course. We've got to go back here, which I would have done eventually. Have you come back to let us repay you for your fine gift? Yes, there is. I've just wasted an hour of my life. Tell us, what is it? I'm looking for somebody. I need a ship. Money, want money. No, let's just cut to the chase because I've had enough of this bimbling around. Here, on Monkey Island. We're the only people living on Monkey Island. Well, the only civilized people. That's okay. People I'm looking for aren't living. People I'm looking for aren't civilized. I'm looking for 30 dead guys and 1 woman. Yes. I don't think I want to hear any more about it. Wait, maybe he's talking about those dead pirates. Oh yeah, those guys. Then you've seen the ghost pirate LeChuck and his cadaverous crew. Those jerks have been bugging us for months. Zooming around here in that creepy ghost ship of theirs. Wailing and moaning until all hours of the morning. Scaring away all the cruise ship business. Normally, when we have problems with the undead, we just cook up our standard potion of exorcism and to be done with it. Why don't you do that now? What's your standard potion of exorcism? Give me the potion, I'll use it on LeChuck. Yes. We can't. It's a secret. Why not? Well, the main ingredient of the potion is a very rare root. Aha. In fact, there's only one in existence. We only use a little bit at a time, you see. But LeChuck stole the whole thing. Of course he did. Where's he hiding then? LeChuck came in here and stole your root? What a cad! I'm going to go with that. Oh, and I suppose stealing bananas is any better. Well, good point. Where's he hiding it? He's in a place beneath this island. Yeah, I've been down there for about an hour. Somewhere in a huge system of catacombs. A hellish place filled with the wailing of tortured souls trapped forever in the rock. Where the walls bleed and the air thick with the rancid smell of pure evil. Tourists used to line up for hours to see it. You just go down there and kick him out. Sounds neat. Can I see it? Yeah, well, I've been down the bloody place. No, we lost the key. It was stolen. Haha. Well, we loaned it to a hermit who lives on the island. I've already got the bastard thing. And until that crusty old pantless weirdo brings it back, we're keeping his banana picker. I'm off to find LeChuck and get the root. Sorry, but it's just not that easy. Trying to find LeChuck could be very dangerous. You'd never find your way through the catacombs without the... Hey! Ixnay on the end of the whatever. The what? Nothing. What's the end day of the Avagatoni? Big Latin. Okie dokie. Ode, ue, ave, away, oh, fuck that. Okay. We need something else. I see he is baffled by a native dialect. Good. We could at least tell him what the head does. Well, it's a navigating tool. It's a head. It was once attached to a navigator. We've kept it alive magically so we could take advantage of its innate sense of direction. Getting through the catacombs without it is impossible. But it's our only one, so you can't have it. I guess we have nothing to offer you. And after he gave us that nice idol too. Feel free to come to the Great Monkey and visit your idol anytime. So anyway, Lemonhead, what was that you were saying about tropical oils? Well, so do they mean the skull? I think it's possible. But just in case I get down there and they've actually got a head. A hem? Excuse me, we're in the middle of a serious discussion. I know, but I really need that navigator head thing. I told you we only have one. We don't know how to get another one. Sorry. It must be that, I would say. I'm going to take a chance and use this. All I did on the solution thing was look what to do next, so I don't know if this is the next correct thing or whether I'm going to waste another fucking hour of my life doing this. Right. Use skull. Okay, let's have another word with these bastard villagers. Because that obviously, the skull obviously doesn't work. Okay, I've just had a cheat again. So how many times is that I've done this? Well, it must be the 4th time now. I don't know. This is obscure as hell, but if we look at this leaflet, it's called How to Get Ahead in Navigating. How to get ahead in navigating. Okay, get that? Jesus. Well, look at this. It looks like instructions on how to get ahead. We could give him our head and use these instructions to get ourselves a new one. Yes, I suppose we can give you this now. Thanks. Looks pretty good for a dried up old head, doesn't it? Crikey. We keep it wrapped in this magical necklace that makes it invisible to ghosts. That's pretty scary. Oh, look. I think he likes you. Just follow his nose and he'll lead you to the LeChuck's hideout in the catacombs. Then get the root from LeChuck and come back here. And we'll mix up a batch of our special enzymic ghost dissolving solution, and you can pour it on LeChuck like salt on a slug. Yeah! Good luck! Okay, that was really obscure. I don't think I would have ever worked that one out, to be honest. I mean, crikey. I think I would have probably just given up playing. So, yeah, that was another necessary cheat. Damn it. That is pretty obscure. I mean, you'd have to hit rock bottom and scrutinize every item in your inventory to discover that. Even then, I mean, I probably wouldn't get it. Okay, crikey. It's alright, it's only 2 hours later. I just hope I'm still recording this bastard thing. Come on then, let's do this. Be nice to complete it today, that's what I was hoping for. I mean, if you've made it this far watching me doing this, good on you. I mean, I would advise you to watch someone that knows what they're doing, but you know, what can you do? Head of the navigator, necklace on navigator. Slimy and goopy. No, let's look at head of the navigator. I think it wants me to go to the back. Hey. I think it wants me to go to the back. So use necklace. The head whipped out. Okay, so he wants to go to the back. Okay, look, he's looking that way. Okay, fair enough. This wants me to go to the left. Okay. Wants me to go to the left, okay. Pretty sure we did this. Oh, I did it. Okay. I think it wants me to go to the right. Okay, this is why we would never have done it. Oh, yeah, no. I think I would have had to have been very lucky. It's going to go to the front. Back, okay. Go to the left. Okay, once we go there. It's going to go to the back. How on earth do you do that? Okay. To the left. Let me guess. Go back to the right? No. Well, are we darned? Walk to ghost ship. Right, that necklace makes you invisible, so can't have it. It's mine. Okay, fair enough. Right, let's save it. Saved 31 times. Let's just look at it. I'll just go there. It's that eerie looking ghost ship I saw sailing off with the governor. With the governor. Uh-oh. You wouldn't happen to have a route I could borrow? I've come to interrogate the prisoner. Excuse me, but is this the Lido deck? I think I'll be running along. Let's do this one. Yikes. Okay. Right, we need this necklace. You can't have it, it's mine. Oh my goodness. Give skull to head of navigator. There's no way in hell I'm going back again. Talk to head of the navigator. Okay, we're here. Now, what do you want from me? Hello, head. May I please have that necklace? Thank you for leading me to the ghost ship. Well, it's been nice. Now, let's be nice to him. Hey, no problem. When you only have one job, you do it well. Know what I mean? May I please have that necklace? No, but thanks for asking so politely. Oh, come on, please. Why can't I have it? Maybe I'll just take it. Let's be nice to him because he might bite us or something. You can beg all you want, but you can't have it. Pretty please? You can beg all you want, but you can't have it. Maybe I'll just take it. Let's use reverse psychology. Fine, I didn't really want it anyway. Good, because you ain't gonna get it. Oh, bugger. Right, let's talk to the head again. You're not going to bug me about my necklace again, are you? Why can't I have it? I've got a bad feeling about this place. I think I might need it. pretty, please. Beg all you want. Maybe I'll just take it. Maybe you'd better not. Pretty please with sugar on top. Oh, all right, you big baby. You can have it. Hey, what good's a necklace if you don't have shoulders? Well, that's a very good point. Thank you, severed head. So, use necklace. All right. This feels weird. Okay, now we're talking. See, I've worked that out myself, for once. Aha. Can't see me now. Oh, lovely. Hey, what a cute little ghost dog. Can you guess? The dog stops just going in there. No, good. Let's have a look at his things. Looks like Monkey Island. Okay. Fear for thy life, ye who enters. You'd better fear. Okay, so he can sense us. It's got little wrinkling blue hairs on it. Crikey. Who dares to enter the cabin of the ghost pirate LeChuck? Must be the wind. Okay, so let's go elsewhere. I think the governor maybe is... Yes, okay. Freak! What was that? Right. Looks like we may need to use something. Oh, there's a hatch there. Sleeping ghost crew. He looks sound asleep. Well, good. Okay, this is just a place. Hell? It's ghost chickens and whatnot. They look like chickens. Ghost chickens. Ghost pigs. Gross. Look at the meat. Okay, there's a hatch there. Growing crate. Glowing crate. I don't see anything special about it. Well, except that big glowing voodoo anti-root inside. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's... It's locked tight. Must be something important down there. Right, we'll probably need a key then, won't we? Can't open that. Can't open that. Shit. Okay. Talk to the head of the navigator? Why not? Can't whip that out yet. Okay, so why can't we open the bastard? Why? Okay, certainly won't be completing this today. Wait a second, ghost feather. Okay. It's a feather from a ghost chicken. Gotta be very observant. That's roughly 4 pixels in size. Is there anything else? So what could the feather be used for? Oh, I know. That one that's sleeping. Oh, hello, look. It's got a bottle. It looks like a bottle full of grog. We all know what grog does. Right, so my idea is to use the feather, make him sneeze. Oh. Damn. Let's get this bottle. Okay. There's someone else asleep up here. Yeah, this one. Okay, that doesn't work. The other thing would be to use, because that door creaks, would be to use something to lubricate the door, but squeaky door. Should we try the ink? Very obscure. No. What about the monkey head? I thought because of the wax on it. But... Okay, right. Okay, so and the ghost feather's not working because can't find a ticklish spot. I've probably missed something again, as I'm tending to do these days. So anything else? So the key's got to be for that. God knows how we open that. Need that bottle, don't we, really? So the bottle of grog we definitely need, but Tell you what, I might have to stop it here and bloody have some lunch. God knows how long this episode was. I won't include all the bimbling around the bloody caves, but yeah, I'll stop here. Hopefully complete on the next episode, which will be number 10. Right, thanks for watching if you have, and I'll see you hopefully on the last one soon. Cheerio!